Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 3500 Longhorn. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter I6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in black, and it does come with the projector style headlights right there, as well as it does have the fog lights right down there. It does have the chrome grille that stands out and looks so nice. As well, you do have some tow hooks up front here in case you do need to pull anybody out of the ditch or pull a tree out of your way or anything like that. It does come with a pair of 20-inch rims here with Firestone tires, and they look great. There's still a ton of tread left on those bad boys, and it looks great. It does also come with heated exterior mirrors. They are the tow mirrors, and they do have the turning signals on them, so people will know where you are going. There's the Ram 3500 logo, and it does have the running boards along the bottom that will help you get up into the vehicle if you are a little bit shorter like me. And it does also come with a 6-foot box back here. So we do have our backup camera right there. We have the Limited logo, the Ram logo, and the 4x4 logo. Open this guy up, and it does have, the 6-foot box, lots of room. It does have the cover on it as well to keep things dry and safe if you did need to do that. Okay, we got our keys here, so 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and then you do have 2 presses of this guy to activate your remote start, which is awesome, especially in the winter here. It gets it nice and warm for you. It gets those heated seats going. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked and you have your key on your person and you put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. You also have the button to lock it if you did want. Now on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there, as well as you do have a little bit of chrome accenting there on the handle. You do have these really cool etched in pieces here that stand out very nice. It looks really cool. You got the Ram logo here, bit of storage here, bit more down here with a spot for like a water bottle. As well, you do have the electric seat right here. That is all that. And then you have your lumbar support here. You can lean it back, and you do have the seat memory here. It is a leather interior, and it does look great, as well as you kind of got this wood finish look in here. It looks awesome. You have your light controls here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as you can push in for your fog lights, and your in-cabin light controls there as well. That guy does control your windshield wipers as well as your high beams. And then this guy does actually move your seats or your foot pedals closer and farther away. Okay, keys are in my pocket. Let's start her up. Very nice. It sounds awesome. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your oil gauge there. And then you also have in the center there your exhaust and your turbo. As well, you can change that from that. You got your fuel economy, you have your trip A and B, you also have your trailer tow, you have your audio, your stored messages, your screen setup, and you're back to your speedometer. It's all there. You can access all of that from your steering wheel right here, as well as your voice recognition, your call out button, all right there. You also have a horn in the middle and your cruise control options right there. This guy's your gear shift, of course. And then around the back of the steering wheel right here, you have volume up and down for your audio, for your radio, I guess. And there's an identical one on the other side for your channels, and then that means you never have to take your hand off of the steering wheel, which is super nice. In the center here, you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display, and it does come with AM, FM, and Sirius XM. It comes with a year of Sirius XM when you do purchase the vehicle. You also got your media tab here, your controls. In your media, you got your aux cord, your Bluetooth, your SD card, and then in your controls, you have your heated seats for you and your passenger, as well as your mirror dimmer, your vented seats, and your heated steering wheel. You also got your climate control here, as well as your navigation, so you can just hit view map. Now it shows that we're on Recplace. You have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, as well as just your regular old settings. This guy here does control your 2-wheel lock, your 2-wheel low, or 4-wheel low, sorry. And then if you do shift into reverse, it will give you your backup camera, which is always so nice. It helps you, and it's very safe as well. You also have your volume up and down here, your screen off, your traction control, your hazard lights, your back button. Then you have your browser there. You have your AC, your circulation. You have your heat up and down. It is a dual climate for you and your passenger, so you can have different climates if you like it hotter than the person beside you. You have your power up and down, as well as your front and rear defrost. Your trailer tow. You have your traction control, your tow and haul mode, your exhaust brakes, your park assist. Then you have your heated seat, steering wheel, and your passenger heated seats, as well as the vents. You have a bit of storage in here as well. You got a bit more down here, and you could throw your phone right here and it'll sit nicely. And then you also have a plug-in right there, bit of storage here, some cup holders here. And then this guy here is your armrest, but it does double as a storage container. Very nice. And then you also have some plugins over here. You have your SD card slot, your USB, your aux cord, and another USB plug-in all right over there. It is dual, so you can get into the bottom there. There's lots of room down there as well. This guy over here is your glove box. It is dual layer, so you got your top layer and your bottom layer, and your owner's manual and whatnot is in there as well. Very nice to have. Up top here you do have this guy that controls your back window, and then these guys that are your universal garage door opener, and then this one that is your controls over your sunroof. Let's focus on that a little bit. There we go. So that one does open it, as well as just open up the vent. It is right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. So you do have that same kind of etching on here, as well as the leather, and you do have a little bit of chrome accenting. Control over their own windows, bit of storage here, bit more right down here, and there is a ton of room back here as well. You got these guys you can open up and put whatever you might want in there. And you do also have some storage containers right under here. Very nice. And it is very soft. You can lift these guys up, and you got some room under there for whatever you might want to put in there. You can also do this, and these lay right down flat, which is super nice. And if you wanted to put something on there that you didn't want to fall over, or you wanted to lay right flat, you could do that with the other side as well. They both open up just the same. You also have this guy that you can pull down, and you got some armrests there, as well as some cup holders. You do have cup holders as well right down there, and this also does come with heated seats for the back seat as well. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.